Did you know that nearly 90% of biotech startups fail due to funding challenges? Innovation hubs are meant to support these companies, providing the resources and connections needed to bring groundbreaking ideas to life. But even these hubs are struggling. Why? What's holding them back? Today, we're diving into the biggest challenges facing biotech innovation hubs and exploring the financial trends that are shaping the future of the industry. Innovation hubs play a critical role in advancing biotech. They connect startups, researchers, and investors, accelerating the development of new treatments and medical technologies. But these hubs face major challenges that threaten their effectiveness. First, there's funding. Biotech research and development is incredibly expensive, and it can take years, sometimes even decades, for a new drug or therapy to reach the market. Investors are often hesitant to commit long-term funding due to the high risk and long wait for returns. Then, there's the talent shortage. The demand for experts in fields like genomics, bioinformatics, and pharmaceutical development is higher than ever. A recent report revealed that 70% of biotech leaders are struggling to retain skilled employees, and 60% say hiring new talent is a top concern. Without access to top researchers and scientists, biotech companies can't push innovation forward. And finally, regulatory challenges slow everything down. Strict approval processes, evolving laws, and complex compliance requirements mean that even the most promising biotech discoveries can face years of delays before reaching the market. So, what do these challenges mean for biotech startups and innovation hubs? Let's take a closer look. The funding crisis has forced many biotech companies to seek new financial models. Traditional venture capital is no longer the only option. Some companies are using sword financing, a strategy that allows biotech firms to raise funds while spreading risk among multiple investors. This model is gaining popularity as companies look for more flexible financing solutions. To address the talent shortage, biotech companies are offering higher salaries, remote work options, and professional development programs to attract and retain top talent. Many are also looking internationally, recruiting experts from around the world to fill key roles. And when it comes to regulations, some countries are making big moves to create biotech-friendly environments. China, the UK, and Singapore are streamlining their approval processes, attracting biotech startups that want to avoid the lengthy and expensive regulatory hurdles found in the US. Despite these challenges, some biotech innovation hubs are thriving. A great example is Arsenal Bridge Ventures, which is raising a $150 million fund specifically to build biotech startups in overlooked regions, expanding opportunities beyond traditional hubs like Boston and San Francisco. Meanwhile, cities like Toronto and Singapore are emerging as biotech powerhouses, thanks to government support and pro-business policies that make it easier for startups to access funding and navigate regulations. These success stories show that biotech hubs can overcome challenges, but it takes innovation, strategic financing, and strong collaboration. So, what does the future hold? Biotech innovation hubs will continue to adapt and evolve, finding new ways to secure funding, attract talent, and speed up regulatory approvals. The industry is at a turning point, and the way we address these challenges today will shape the medical breakthroughs of tomorrow. Now, we want to hear from you. What do you think is the biggest challenge for biotech innovation? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Your insights help spark meaningful discussions in this space. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on the future of biotech.